Hi there, and welcome back to C2Fixit. Today I'll be showing you how to reset any Windows laptop. So first you get onto this home page. You need to press Ctrl-Alt-Delete, which will take you to this page or something similar. Now from here you'll need to press sign out. And now we continue to the second step. We press on the space bar and we press on this little lock symbol. Press on it, and whilst pressing shift, we press restart. This will automatically take it to a secret menu. So once it's taken you to the menu, you now need to press troubleshoot, and then you need to press reset your PC. Following this, your laptop will restore and will come to the screen like this. So now you'll see this screen, and once here you need to wait until the spinner stops and you'll be given an option. So now once you get to the screen, you're going to press next, and now here you have a choice. If you want to give this to another family member, you might just want to remove your files so that there's no more information. But if you're, for example, going to sell it, you need to clean the drive fully. Now this will take a long time, and since I don't want this device anymore, I'm going to clean the drive fully. So now pressing clean the drive fully, it's going to give you this warning. Once we press reset, it's going to take a while now, but after this, your tablet/laptop will be reset. So now that the process has ended, we are back on the setup screen and the reset has been successful. And that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.